I've been in the addiction recovery field since 1973. I have a private practice in Spring Branch, Texas, and I've just opened up an intensive outpatient program to treat what has been called process addictions. That's sex addiction, co-sex addiction, compulsive gambling, compulsive spending, eating disorders, as well as love addiction, relationship addiction, all the process addictions. There are a number of good treatment programs for chemical dependency, alcohol and drug addiction throughout the city. What I do for the alcoholic and drug addict, though, is I use acupuncture for detoxification. It's fairly inexpensive and it has no contraindications attached to it at all. AccuDetox was pioneered at Lincoln Hospital in New York City about 40 years ago by Dr. Michael Smith. It works exceedingly well, and it's also a marvelous technique for survivors of trauma. They used it extensively right after 9/11 and helped thousands of people throughout New York with simple acupuncture in the ear, which is what auricular acupuncture is, the process that I do. So I'm licensed by the Texas Board of Medical Examiners to do that process. And then I would refer people to treatment for chemical dependency counseling, and I would just do the detox here and refer it out just because I want to feed the other addiction treatment programs that are in the city. That's the intensive outpatient programs, hospital-based programs, and residential treatment programs. And I'm focusing again specifically on the affected family members of drug addicts or alcoholics and people that are suffering from the process addictions. Many addicts and alcoholics, after they treat that particular part of their addictive disorder, will certainly fit into this category. I've been hearing in recovery for years, since '73, people that have sex addiction, gambling, spending, work addiction, relationship disorders, codependency, that loss of sense of self. And these things severely hamper one's ability to maintain abstinence from chemicals. Those that are not chemically addicted, that have any of the other process addictions, have uncomfortable lives, bad relationships with self and others, and a whole cyclical process that they go through. I began to do this work in about 1986 when I was working with a man named Terry Kellogg up in Boulder, Colorado, at a treatment program I was with up there, and began studying the other addictive disorders, sex addiction, the work of Dr. Patrick Carnes, and I have continued to expand my knowledge base in treating all the process addictions. So if you're interested, give me a call at 713-461-3279, and the intensive outpatient program is about 6 to 8 hours a week, and it's done at my office in Spring Branch, and the hours are flexible, meaning I'll design a program to meet your needs. At present I do individual work, and as the program continues to grow, then I'll expand and help open up to group therapy sessions, so we can do it in that way. So please give me a call, 713-461-3279. Love to help out. Bye-bye.